In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install your trainer in solo leveling Arise Overdrive. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down, enter standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the trainer exe and select yes option. Now you can start the game. Once you are in game, pause the game and press Alt Tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna turn on those super damage one hit kills. To turn on the cheats you like to use, minimize this and get back to the game. One hit, easy to kill enemies. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.